Hello, everybody. Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, aka Mr. Valuation, bringing you another 2-minute drill, Lessons in Valuation, subscriber request series. One company I've been asked to look at is Old Republic National. Now, Old Republic is a property and casualty insurance company. It currently trades at about 12.8 times blended earnings, gives them a nice earnings yield of almost 8%, 7.79. It does pay a 3% dividend, and it has had a history of paying some special dividends. You can see by these spikes in the white line here, where they paid a dividend that was significantly above what their historical norms were. It was paying in the 70 cents, then they paid a $1 special dividend here, probably a $1 special dividend here. Looked like they paid over maybe $2.50 in special dividends here. We could look at that in the performance. Now, earnings-wise, coming out of the Great Recession, which had a lot of stress on financials, earnings dropped a great deal. So if I shorten this time frame quite a bit to just look at, well, I'll call it the healthy years, it's growing earnings about 12.5%. It has had these spikes in the dividend, as I mentioned. If we look at it from the standpoint of what the future holds, analysts expect about 7% growth, and that's not necessarily a real attractive growth rate for a company, but because the stock is so cheap, if it traded at a normal valuation, you could make 18.3%. This is an interesting company that's probably worth digging deeper into. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like, ring the bell so you get an opportunity to see more videos like this. Subscribe to FastGraphs and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.